This story is from a very, very long time ago. About 500 years after Jesus was born. But still 1,500 years ago from today.
Dwynwen was the prettiest girl in Wales.
And she had lots of brothers and sisters. 36 in fact. That's a lot of children in one house.
Dwynwen's dad was called Brecon. He was the son of an Irish king. And they all lived in a very fancy castle in Brecon, which is near Usk.
Dwynwen fell in love with a boy called Maelon. They agreed to get married when they were older. They loved each other very much. They couldn't wait to spend the rest of their lives together in wedded bliss, like everybody who is married. But Dwynwen's dad had other ideas. He wanted Dwynwen to marry someone else. He had chosen Dwynwen to marry a prince with lots of money. Dwynwen didn't care about money and just wanted to marry the man she loved. Her dad said no way, ever, never.
Dwynwen didn't know what to do because she wanted to please her dad and do what she was told. But she didn't want to marry the rich prince either. Maelon was very cross when Dwynwen said she couldn't marry him. And to be honest, they had a bit of a ding-dong.
Dwynwen was so sad. She had upset everyone, and so she ran into the forest and had a little lie down.
In the darkness, she decided to pray to God to see if he could help her and to see if he had any good ideas. Then out of the blue, an angel appeared, holding a couple of drinks. These were magic potions. When Dwynwen drank them, her memory was wiped clean, and she couldn't remember Maelon. When she drank the other potion, it made Maelon become trapped in a block of ice. That was his punishment, because he had been mean to Dwynwen when he had shouted at her. The angel then gave her 3 wishes, but reminded her to think carefully about what she wished for. First, Dwynwen asked for Maelon to be free from ice. Secondly, that Dwynwen asked everybody to be happy in Wales and find their true love. And thirdly, Dwynwen asked she could never fall in love again, as she didn't want to feel any more heartache. Dwynwen was a strong, independent woman, and she wanted to live on her own. And fairly, all her wishes came true in the end. Dwynwen became a nun, and she even built her own church on a little island off Anglesey. Anglesey in Welsh is Ynys. You can go and visit this church. The church has a special well. There are sacred fish that people say
aren't the fruits there. Lots of people go and visit every year. So why not nip up the A55 and take a look? Especially if you are having any troubles in the love department. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. From Dosbarth Redwood. Bye.